How to add a delay to your live stream in OBS Studio. Hey everyone, I'm Gil Hermy from JMV Technology. Today I'll show you how to add a delay to your live stream. Every live stream has some delay compared to what's captured by cameras or video playback, even if it's just 1 second. For many services, delays up to 60 seconds are common. In some cases, a transmission delay is essential. Many use it in competitive gaming streams so opponents can't see their exact location through the live feed. Another use is to have a safety buffer in your stream. For instance, if you make a mistake, you can cut the stream before it goes live. Now let's open OBS Studio, go to Settings, then Advanced. In this section, we have the Stream Delay option. When enabling this option, you'll need to enter at least 1 second. The Preserve Cutoff Point on Reconnect option continues the stream from where it disconnected, often making it unnoticeable to viewers. After that, simply click Apply and then OK. Remember, our YouTube channel has many OBS Studio videos showing how to live stream and other related content. JMV Technology offers various streaming plans with delay settings to suit your needs. One of these is our low latency streaming plan. Scan our QR code to learn how it works. That's all. If you enjoyed, like, subscribe, and follow us on social media.